Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you what I've got up to. And this is my kitchen, basically kitchen diner. We'll pan around here. Now on my previous video on my other channel, I did go round and I showed you what I'm getting up to, but this is more in depth of what I have to do. Now this pillar here has got to be redone. So it's, as you can see, it does look a bit of a mess there. And the steel up across the top here, that's all got to be filled in. And also this pillar over here has got to be done. Now you can see all the plasterboard up here. Now this has been like this for over 15 years. So this plasterboard ain't no good anymore. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting some new plasterboard straight over the top of that, the opposite way round. I'll take you down to the bottom here. I'll just show you what the Muppets did, because the cowboy builders, I mean, this is crazy. See, it's not level. There's nothing level in the house at all. I mean, they were a bunch of Muppets. Unfortunately, I was lucky enough to have two bad builders, one after each other. Though they were 6 years apart from each other, they were cowboys. Now, on this area, the wall's going to be plasterboarded and then plastered. The electrics, which are already in here, which is great, that's already been done. So when I plasterboard over the top, I'll be reconnecting the holes back up. Yesterday, it was a bit of a rainstorm. And unfortunately for me, I've now found another job I'm going to have to do. Up there, the water decided to come down. So it actually ran down onto the floor. It's still damp down here now. And you think, oh my God, what else is going to happen? You know, there's always lots of things you find. Now with the floor, that's got to be done. Now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting some joists down. Now I was going to go over and screed the floor, but I don't see any point. Because of the height difference, the cost in wood over concrete, there isn't much in it. So I'm going to put joists down and then I'm going to go over with a chipboard flooring. And then over the top of that, then we're going to go for whatever flooring we decide to do. And also we can drop in electrics if needs to. Because over here, we're going to be having a centre island. So you know where it is. Now, if I'm missing a kitchen, there's a little bit of it up there, but there's not a lot. This is where I'm doing my videos and stuff for my other channel. So this is I've taken a bedroom and this is the bedroom. So we've got over here the kitchen stuff. I've actually screwed it in now, so it's right there. The centre island is now where I can do bits and pieces. So if I'm doing a review, which this is going to be one of the reviews which is going to come up very shortly, the Works leaf jet. Okay, I'll give you a bit of a preview. There it is. A great bit of kit. You could say I've done an unboxing now, couldn't you? Yeah, but I've already unboxed it. But I'm bound to have done, haven't I? Over here is where all the junk is. Now, this little room here is going to be where my oven is. Because it's because this is a bedroom, that is going to be the ensuite, but unfortunately it's not going to be. So I'm going to put a little sink in there for this particular kitchen, and also the oven which I've got down here, this isn't the one I regularly use, that'll be going in there because the shower connection is a 30 amp. So I've got a cable already run down there for the shower, so I'm not going to be putting the shower in, we're going to be putting the oven in. So there you go. So that's where I've got to so far. And how much more can I actually get up to? So there we go, guys. It gives you some idea of where I've got to so far. Everything's removed from the kitchen, Well, apart from bits and pieces of it. But as you can see, the rest of it just needs to be done. Well, there you go, guys. If you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!